Produced by Day Day.
Tell me what you know, tell me how you see, tell me how you be, tell me how you can be a beast, tell me how you gon' spread your wings and be free, tell me how you gon' fly, tell me how you gon' be, tell me about the BC before the cash, tell me about all the shit before the crash, tell me what you know, tell me what you see, tell me how you glow, tell me how you free, tell me about all the shit, I don't know, tell me about all of it, you gon' show, yeah nigga growing shit. LA. So wild. Since a child, I'm in third place. Around the way from Wilton boys. They ain't play, hard time hustling. They get the spray every day. Low rider bikes. Another homicide. Another body died. Another on the shirt. I ain't never get you. My dad was always at the work. Man, chillin' with my moms. That's a different high. Out in the back, pippin' apricots. Then I find some props. Cause I'm cussing, the nigga gotta get it. The shit is not working. Now I'm got it. And I'm pounding. I hear my neighbors downstairs in the clinic. Fuck a nigga roll, if that nigga bully. Yeah, that nigga heard from Mission and he pulled a tully. Look, my brother Devon came up, beat all them niggas, then he shine. Yeah, J-Dub up in his prime. Look, yeah, I'm chillin' with my slime, look. So cold, Jesse Young's niggas moving bold, they gon' take your soul. Tap the shoes, niggas moving souls. Niggas did them dirty on the bus, niggas changing clothes. Shady 80s, you can't fucking play me. I done seen the city, y'all just think it's pretty. Butterflies in me, now I'm empty. Smoking like a fucking chimney. Ounce fat, nigga smoking 50. So Cal, yeah, that shit is litty. That glitter, glitter, and fame. Come and follow angels. It ain't a shame. So tell me what you know, tell me what you show, tell me how you glow, tell me how you can be and be a beast, tell me what you see, tell me what you know, tell me how you flow, tell me how you see. So so wild, such a child. 2.0. Shady 80s. Drove them crazy. School up in the 60s. Shit was crazy. Back up in Washington. I'm in the White House. Nah, we ain't no clowns. Everybody slide. Everybody gotta die. Another homicide. I'm sorry that your mama cried.